It's September 2nd and second day of my journey, and I just realized that my mouse is not connected or charged. So if you're wondering why my hair is wet, it's because I just showered. I just finished a 20 minutes run. I have a goal to lose some weight. Just realized that I'm 64 kilos, which is high for my height, I believe. So I have a goal to lose about 5 kilos in about 6 weeks. So it's going to be pretty tough, but should be able to do it. So I'll be able to share my journey with you guys if you're interested to follow the video journey as well as the weight loss journey. And I'll update probably every 2 weeks, hopefully. That's the goal. So there's a lot going behind the scenes, my training, my office rearranging, and each will have its own separate video. But the thing is, with some of the videos like the fitness journey, it's gonna take a couple of weeks to complete from start to end. But it's gonna have an update in between through sort of like a vlog style video, and then a full video will be towards the end of the journey in the 6 weeks before my next travel to Thailand. And if you're wondering how am I gonna achieve doing a video every day for 365 days, what I'll be doing is I'm gonna use a software called Notion. So Notion will allow me to brainstorm all my ideas and put it into different categories as well as a list. And in my list, I'm gonna be listing out my ideas as well as some of the new things that I'm gonna be trying, or things that I've learned through courses or watching other creators. So for example, maybe adding a slow-mo, so I'm just gonna add it on the side. And let me explain. So here's a little behind the scenes of how I'm gonna try to generate as much content idea as possible, hopefully 365 content, so I can slowly film it. As I mentioned, some of them is gonna take a couple of days or weeks in order to complete. So I'll try to list everything out into this list here. So I'm calling it project 365. And this is not my template actually. I found this template while I was doing a quick search on Google. So if you need me to figure out whose template this is, let me know, and I'm gonna try to add that into the link below. So how am I gonna use this is, the first thing is I'm gonna put in all my ideas on this tab right here. And on this status tab, it's gonna put in the status whether it's just an idea or if I've started filming it. If I've started filming it, hopefully I'll put it into a folder so it's easier to search when I need it. Here's gonna have the lesson. The lesson will have the lesson that I've learned that I want to put into that video, whether it's new style of recording, a new style of editing. It's going to be put in right here. So in 365 days, we'll have or tried 365 ideas, and it's going to be the published date. And yeah, so that's the idea. So it's going to be pretty fun. Another thing that I really like about this template on Notion is that I can actually click open on any of the ideas, and I can put in more ideas right here. So it's just a brief. So I really like this thing right here. So that's my goal. Oh, and hopefully I'll be able to play around with it and be able to create all the different content that's in my head and put it into action. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.